A judge in New Jersey shot down a men's lawsuit claiming a Massachusetts university was to blame for his violent rampage because they did not enforce underage drinking laws, according to reports. Essex Superior Court Judge Salim Rodriguez Tabet tossed the lawsuit last week, filed by Dillian DeStefano, who cited Massachusetts social host liability law in his lawsuit against Endicott College and its president, the Boston Herald reports. The court is aware of no case, and the parties have cited none, where a Massachusetts court has entertained a claim of negligent supervision where a plaintiff argues that the defendant has a duty to protect him from himself, Tabet wrote. Unlike every other meritorious negligent supervision claim where a plaintiff seeks to recover damages caused by someone's conduct, here, DeStefano seeks to recover he himself caused. DeStefano pleaded guilty in 2014 to assault, battery and witness intimidation charges, admitting to randomly punching students after getting drunk at a dorm party earlier that year. One student suffered a broken and dislocated jaw, while a second victim had a shattered orbital bone and sinus cavity. DeStefano was sentenced to 4 years behind bars, but was paroled last year. He then filed a lawsuit in February seeking losses for damages to his reputation and for pain and suffering. Prior to the random attacks, DeStefano claimed he had an exemplary record at the college and was known as a quiet, peaceful, sociable, and caring individual. But campus police failed to intervene after he and other students drank an inordinate amount of alcohol, according to the lawsuit. Attorneys for the college, meanwhile, said DeStefano didn't prove any instance where Endicott officials served him booze. To call the violent felon's claims in this case wholly untenable states the proposition too mildly, wrote Robert Smith, an attorney representing Endicott. Indeed, his claims are patently absurd. Smith said a troubling precedent could have been set if DeStefano's lawsuit was allowed to proceed. This would have opened the floodgates to litigation, Smith told the Boston Herald. This would mean that a college would be responsible every time an underage student had too much to drink and hurt themselves or hurt someone else. Attorneys for DeStefano, who no longer attends Endicott College, did not return messages seeking comment, the Boston Herald reports.